Clip capture and file structure. The key to success in video editing is file management. Creating an organized file structure will ensure that you will always be able to find your files, eliminate missing media errors, and make it easy to back up your files on an external drive. We will start by building a file structure. I am working on a PC. If you are on a Mac, the process is pretty much the same. I'm going to start on the desktop to make it easy to see. I'll start by right-clicking on my desktop, hover over New, then select Folder. I will then name my folder after my project. Double-click on this folder to open it. Now we will add folders to organize any files we may need throughout the project. Create a folder named Video. Create a folder named Audio. Create a folder named Images. Create a folder named Render. Create a folder named Project File. You may want to create subfolders within these folders. For instance, you may want to arrange your video files by scene numbers. So create a folder within the video folder named Scene 1. You can continue making the folders now, or you can create them as you import your video files. Now that the file structure is built, we can start importing video files. Plug your camera or phone into a USB port on your computer. You should see your camera show up in the file system as if it were another drive. I am using an iPhone, as you can see here. Click on the icon. Double-click the disk icon. You will see a folder named DCIM. Open this folder and you will see two more folders. I will open the 101 Apple folder. Now you see a bunch of files. View the folder as a list to easily see which files are images, JPG, and which are movies, MOV. The files are arranged by the date they were shot. Scroll to the bottom of the folder. There are a group of movie files from the same date. These are the ones I want to move to my file structure. Open a new window and navigate to the file structure we just built on the desktop. Navigate to the video folder. I will move these files to the Scene 1 folder. Select all of the video files and drag and drop them to the Scene 1 folder. Sit back and relax. It's going to take a while for these files to copy. Once the files are copied, eject your camera or phone. Do not unplug the device before ejecting it. Now, to back up your file system, plug in an external storage device. Drag the root folder of your file system to the external drive. Again, this may take some time. When the process is finished, eject your external drive. Do not delete this file structure. We will continue using it throughout the rest of the course.